my friend, welcome to my new video with your Lauren from LarenBell. So today another video for Photoshop, but all that after this short break. Today my friend, I will show you how to make this animated banner with Photoshop. Let's start. First thing to do is create a new file, the name you want. Okay, we search coronavirus. Okay, here the size, any size you want. I have created this size 800 pixel by 600 pixel with the resolution 72 because this image will be in web, so I don't need to make it larger for printing. Okay, so click OK. So first thing we add here the background. So open it. Here is our background. Ctrl T, size you like. Oh. Okay. First thing you should see is the coronavirus. So let's bring this. Very small. Okay. Now we close it. But name it coronavirus. Here's the background. Okay, close this. And after that, you see, I have this United States map. So let's remove this one. Sorry. First thing we duplicate this. Name it small. And make it small. Now we bring the map. Do anything you want, okay? Smaller little bit. Okay, good. And after that, we show the doctor here. Okay, make it like this. Now we will write this coronavirus COVID and the recommendation. Let's close this. So to do that, just we close here. We go to here, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, or just by clicking U, Shift U, and you choose here color you want. Okay, with stroke, and here the radius with 135 pixels, and just drag it like this, the size you want. Okay, and here must be shape and not the path. Okay, put it in the middle, just selecting these two, sorry, and we will write with a white color, coronavirus COVID-19. Now we will write recommendation to prevent infection spread. Just here, change first the text color, just this one, and red. And we put it also in the middle. Just select this one with the background color and sorry. Okay. Now just the information we need. So we'll bring here the check icon. Ctrl+T to make it small. Here the black color. So first thing, of course, is regular hand washing. Sorry. Washing hand. And we do the same for the other, so just click here, Alt, and you see you have duplicate this, the same for the text. So I will just copy and paste here. Copy this and come here. And hit 27. Now we have finished the design. If you want to change anything, you do whatever you want. So let's go. The first thing to do is go to window. If you don't have the timeline here, so just go to window, and after that go to timeline. You see this one, and here you will have to create video timeline. Now we are creating a frame animation, so just create. Okay, first thing to do is changing this to 0.5 or 0.2, it depends of you, so make it 2.5. And the look you want to see it, so I will, what is this? Okay, I will just hide all this. Okay, just the background and the coronavirus is the first thing I want to show it to people. Okay, so is the first frame. The second frame, just click here. You see here, create another frame. We will close this and we will show the United States map with the coronavirus. So if you will check it, see, this is what we get. Good. Now the third thing, create third frame, sorry, and now the doctor. Okay, fourth frame with the animation, this rounded text with the coronavirus inside. Now recommendation, new frame, let's put this check with the first recommendation. Okay, see, next the second check with cover more, the third one, the third more, check and avoid contact with anyone coughing and sneezing. Okay, and just another one to put it 2 seconds, 2.2 seconds. Let's see now our animation. I want to change it here between black and the white. Okay, so to do this, just double click here, color overlay, and here black. So here black, here white. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah, I like it. Sorry my friend, I have recorded, I have gone to the editing and I found that I have not shown you how to save this file. So here I'm recording again. So to save this animated banner, I'm sorry for the video about the sound before, I have problem with the microphone. So to save this, just go to file here, and after that you can see here export, and you see save for web. Okay, now you have this, and you have here GIF. It must be GIF, and here you see the looping option is forever. If you just choose one, it will be showing this for just one time. If you see it, if you choose forever, it will play again in a loop. Okay, so just here we save it and go to the folder you want. So we have our folder here. Name is coronavirus GIF and save. Let's go to our file, so animated banner, and here is our GIF. Like you see, voila. Thanks for watching my friend, I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, also subscribe to my channel and help me reach my first 1000 subscriber. Goodbye my friend, see you next time.